Hey everybody, guess what we're doing today? We're opening
Wishables!
Wishables! Can you guess what kind of Wishables we're opening today? I'll give you a clue. Let's see how much luck we have opening 6 bags of Beauty and the Beast Wishables.
Yes.
First, let's give you an up-close look at the Beast Wishable. He can be purchased separately like this. He's really cute. He's fluffy. He has his cape. He's got a scary look on his face, but we know deep down inside he's got a really good heart, right?
Yes.
These Disney Parks Wishables are based on Enchanted Tales with Belle, which was actually the last thing we did on the last day of our last Disney vacation. Viola was the gray stuff, and Dad got picked to be a knight. And if you know anything about Dad, he is the last person that wants to volunteer or be picked to participate in a show like that.
Yeah.
Here's what you can get inside. What do you think it is?
What?
The wardrobe.
So
She is one of the biggest and squishiest Wishables I think we have.
they're into
Which
it.
one do you think you're gonna get?
I think Lumiere?
Lumiere?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
3, 2, 1. Let's see what we got. I think I got.
We got Belle. She's wearing her blue dress with the white apron. She's got a book because she just loves books, right?
Yeah.
Her hair looks
Nice.
beautiful. She looks like the Belle you met at Epcot.
Nice hair. This guy.
Okay.
Okay, I'm giving this to Michael.
Okay, well we have a duplicate and duplicates are super good for trading. Look guys, we got twins.
I think I got this. Yeah.
Oh, we got Cogsworth. He's looking proud and serious as ever. Like someone has got to fall in love with that beast so she can break the spell. That's not a very good Cogsworth voice. I'm giving these a squeeze to make sure there's not another puffy wardrobe inside. So we did pretty good. We opened the last 2 at the same time. We got Lumiere and we got Belle in her beautiful ball gown, and she's still carrying her book. So this is the first time we got a full set of Wishables. We did get 1 duplicate. I think we always get a duplicate when we get Wishables. We get at least 1 duplicate. Here's the full set of Wishables. We got Belle in her yellow ball gown, Belle in her blue dress, the wardrobe, Cogsworth, Lumiere, and the Beast. Do you know what the Wishables are we're getting next time?
They're Jasmine.
Oh, you do know.
I didn't know.
Next time we're opening Aladdin Wishables. Thanks so much for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Click the bell button.
Click the bell button.
That's like that.
Bye.
Bye.